The complete door stay reinforcement kit includes 2 sandwich plates, lithium grease, a new door stay, and the connecting pins and screws. Even if your door doesn't show signs of wear, I recommend that you install the reinforcement kit as a precautionary measure. Years of opening and closing the door can damage it almost beyond repair. It's best to invest a little bit of money and time up front than replace your entire door later on. This is what a damaged door stay looks like from the outside. The nuts have been pulled away completely from the door, and the sheet metal has been completely torn and ripped. Make sure you flatten these pieces before you install the reinforcement kit. Looking inside the door, you can see the internal damage. Repeated opening and closing of the door has caused the sheet metal to tear and begin ripping. You should attempt to weld and repair tears like these before you install the kit. Unfortunately, this tear is deep inside the door and is very difficult to get to with a welder. The newly installed reinforcement plate does much to support the metal and prevent these tears. The outer door stay reinforcement plate fits in between the door and the inner mounting plate. Some creative negotiating may be required to get it to fit inside the door. Depending upon how damaged your door is, you may have to loosen and adjust the door stop once you reattach the tongue to the frame of the car. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.